Snow-capped peaks and glistening ice surfaces promise adrenaline-filled pleasure in winter sports. These conditions also invite one to enjoy winter, particularly emotionally in the Mini John Cooper works. The new equipment components for the powerful three-door Mini in high-gloss black and chili red set striking accents against a snow-white landscape. But even in any other season, aerodynamically optimized details and racing-inspired designs draw attention to themselves. Maximum driving dynamics and safety in any weather. The distinctly sporty Mini John Cooper Works impresses with impressive driving characteristics with a four-cylinder twin-power turbo petrol engine and 231 bhp, even on snow and ice. The chassis technology developed with racing expertise conveys the legendary go-kart feeling in demanding road conditions and at the same time ensures safe driving fun. The maximum torque of 380 Newton-meters of torque accelerates the Mini John Cooper Works from a standstill to 100 kilometers per h or 62 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. The top speed is reached at 250 kilometers per hour or 155 miles per hour. Original John Cooper Works accessories for performance-optimized aerodynamics. John Cooper Works' aerodynamic components can further enhance the vehicle's extremely sporty orientation. High-quality winglets for the front and rear bumpers and side skirts strengthen the vehicle's character. The shape and design of the air guidance elements were developed specifically for the Mini John Cooper Works. In high-gloss black and chili red, together with the JCW roof spoiler and the JCW rear diffuser, they set contrasting motorsport accents. The newly designed JCW element for the C-pillar makes the vehicle appear more powerful. The long motorsport history of Mini John Cooper Works dates back to the 1960s. As early as January 1964, the classic Mini demonstrated its feel for snow on the Col des Torini in the icy hairpin bends of the French Maritime Alps during the Monte Carlo Rally. With the overall victory that followed, Paddy Hopkirk made the Mini a motorsport legend. Timo Mäkinen and Rauno Aaltonen repeated the triumph in 1965 and 1967. Puristic design with enhanced motorsport flair. The racing-oriented design of the Mini John Cooper Works keeps its successful history alive to this day. The new JCW-specific foiling underlines the model's unparalleled performance. Asymmetrical stripes in chili red on the bonnet, the body side, and the rear of the vehicle give the Mini John Cooper Works an individual character. The red Mini JCW toe strap with a black JCW logo can make a decorative statement on the black front grille. The high-quality accessories design comes from Rally Sports. Black and red JCW exterior mirror caps with a checkered flag design reference motorsport history and round off the exclusive look of the Mini John Cooper Works. The 17-inch complete winter wheels with the JCW star spoke design ensure the necessary grip on slippery roads. A fixed JCW hub cover keeps the JCW logo horizontal in the center of the rim during driving, providing a visual highlight. In addition, red Mini valve caps with the JCW logo offer secure protection. The diverse accessory program for the Mini John Cooper Works offers exclusive equipment options, allowing motorsport enthusiasts to enjoy maximum sporty driving fun with individual accents. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news and reviews.